A new recipe. This is the pesto salad sauce we're doing. So all you need is some basil, fresh basil, some garlic, fresh garlic. It's all will be blended in the blender using some olive oil and some balsamic vinegar with some pepper and a pinch of salt. According to your taste, obviously, the amounts. We'll go ahead and process these. So for the quantity of olive oil, if you use 4 tablespoons, we use 1 tablespoon sorry, two tablespoons. So if you use 4, you use 2. 2 tablespoons. The half ratio. The final result after we blended it with our blender. All we will do now is add the pasta. We mix it thoroughly, and we will add some cherry tomatoes and the other ingredients of your likings. I will show you the end result. We're adding some cherry tomatoes, adding some mozzarella balls to the mixture after adding some tomatoes.
Delicious.